Hi everyone, it's Lisa. I want to thank you so much for coming back and seeing me. Today I am continuing with the request that many of you had where you wanted to know what Italians eat during the fall and winter months. So today I am going to make a delicious dish using butternut squash. Now gourds like this are a quintessential Italian ingredient and they gained popularity during the Middle Ages when the trade routes were opened. And they were very common with the rural folk because they could be used in a variety of ways, from soups to pasta to risotto. Now people from all different regions of Italy have different ways of preparing this beautiful vegetable, and I'm going to show you one of them, and that is Zucca arrostito con Timo, or roasted butternut squash with thyme. And let's get started. First, cut the squash in half and remove the seeds, and then use a vegetable peeler to take the skin off. Then put them on a parchment-lined baking sheet and rub on a tablespoon or so of olive oil. Preheat your oven to 375 and roast it for about 40 to 45 minutes. Use a spatula to carefully transfer the squash from the baking pan to your serving platter, and then use a sharp knife to make some shallow slices into the squash and then spread with some softened butter. Sprinkle on some salt, pepper, and fresh thyme if you have it, and then use some leftover sprigs of thyme as a garnish if you like, or you can use parsley as well. And now you have a gorgeous dish to grace your table and cozy up to during the colder months. Now with all of the holiday meals coming up in the next few weeks, this would be such a great side dish to incorporate into some of those gatherings. So hopefully you enjoy it, and let me know in the comments if you give it a try. Take care everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one.